Hey there, lovely people. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you all. We're going to learn how to fold the cutest heart from just $1 bill. How awesome is that? So, grab your dollar bill and let's dive into this fun and creative adventure together. But before we start, can I get a big thumbs up if you're excited to learn? Valley, fold the right edge of the dollar bill to the left edge. Then unfold. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's add another fold to the mix. Valley, fold the bottom edge of the dollar bill to the upper edge. Then unfold. Rotate the bill so that the long edges are at the top and bottom. Cross Valley, fold the upper edge of the bill to the left edge. Then mirror this step with the right edge. Let's make some magic happen. And now, let's squash fold along the creases we just made to create two adorable triangular shapes. Look at that, it's already starting to take shape. Now, let's flip our bill around 180 degrees so that the two triangular shapes are at the bottom. Repeat the cross valley fold on the upper edge to the left edge. And mirror this step with the right edge. Then, squash fold along the creases we just made. It's like folding magic, isn't it? Let's turn our bill over so that the two adorable triangular shapes are facing up. Let's fold up the bottom tip of one of the triangular shapes. And open it up. Can you see the heart taking shape? Let's do the same thing on the other side of our bill. It's like we're giving our heart a little hug. Now, let's valley fold the edge of each triangular shape to the center line. We're almost there. Can you feel the excitement? Squash fold the redundant tips of each triangular shape. It's like giving our heart a little tuck in. Can you already imagine how adorable this heart is going to be? Time to give our bill a little spin. You got this. Here comes the fun part. And hey, if you have any suggestions to make this tutorial even more amazing, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Alright, let's kick things off with some folding magic. Now, open up the folded shapes a bit and tuck the paper inside to secure. Our heart is almost ready to spread some love. Let's add a little extra flair. Make a small squash fold in the upper part of the heart shape. It's like giving it a little hat. Fold up the top part of the heart shape. And then fold it back down. Look at that, our heart is starting to come to life. And finally, let's tuck the bill inside to create the bow shape of the heart. It's like giving our heart a little finishing touch. Ta-da! And there you have it, your very own heart folded from a single dollar bill. Wasn't that just the most fun ever? I hope you had a blast folding along with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so they can join in on the folding fun too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep spreading love and happiness wherever you go.